Hi guys, I wanted to make a quick video on just like a quick tip or trick that I use for my online office hours. So then that way I'm not just sitting with my camera and my audio on, just waiting for kids to show up. I still want to be able to get things done. So what I use is when I'm in Google Classroom or Google Meet, excuse me, what I will do is I will present this. And this is classroomscreen.com. You can see it up here up top in the address bar. And what it is, it's free. There is a paid version. You don't need it. You still get all these functions in the free version. If you pay for it, then it allows you to save your different messages, windows, etc. But down here, you'll see in background, you can choose, it's going to come up with just like a general background, but you can choose other ones. It can be solid colors, other pictures. And what it allows you to do is it gives you all these different tools. So I will use, for instance, this website to put a text box in, and then you can move it around by moving that. And I've gone ahead and just typed out a message. So I'm going to paste that in. Okay, so for instance, welcome to map time. I'm here, but I'm muted. Type into the chat box or say hello to let me know that you are here. That way I can keep my camera and my audio muted until somebody comes in and needs help so I can continue to work on things. And what's nice about this is you can change the font size, you can change the font, you can bold it. It's just like a document, so you can make it nice and big. You can move this out, move it around. And then what you can do is just click out. Okay, and it'll sit right there for you. You also have some other tools that I'll use. So sometimes I'll put a timer up. If you just click on it right, they appear, and then you can move them around and you can change the timers. A lot of times I'll use the clock function, just so they can see what time it is. And if you don't use a 24-hour clock like I do, then you can go to the 12-hour clock. Okay, and again, right there. And then what'll happen is you can click this down, and then that will be what's presented to your students as they enter map time, so you can continue to work. So let me show you what that's going to look like. So give me just a second. I'm going to pause this and move this over to a different window. Okay, so what you can see here is now I'm back in Google Meet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to the bottom, and I'm going to go to the bottom right-hand corner and go to Present Now. Tab is not working that great right now, so you can try it, but I'm doing Window today. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to share that window. So the classroom screen, one that I created. Then what I'll do is once I've shared it, I will pin it so it's nice and big. It's going to be what they see when they come in. So I'm going to pin it as the presentation. So if you go up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see where you can do that. You'll see the presentation, and you can just click on Pin. And now you'll see that that's what they're going to see when they come in. So you can continue to work. You're muted. You can see here that I'm muted, video and audio. And then as soon as one of them comes in, I'll see it in the chat box, or I'll hear them come in, and I will go ahead and unmute myself and work with the student. The other way that you can pin a video is over here in the participants, and you can do it right there. So I can unpin, or I can pin from right there. So hopefully that's helpful, so that you don't have to be tied to being on audio and video if you're just waiting for students to come in during your map sessions.